welcome back. We have a little beer review today. Sorry, I'm not on camera, just didn't really feel like it. Yeah. So we are going to Wicklow Wolf. Don't think I've been to Wicklow Wolf in a while. Hopefully, I'm using my microphone, so hopefully my external mic. Hopefully this is recording properly. If not, I'll try to re-record it afterwards. Yeah. Wicklow Wolf. Yeah. Been a while since I had anything from them. Usually pretty solid beers. This is an oatmeal stout, 6.5%. Let's get beer in the glass. About now you should be seeing a pop-up, if I get the editing right, of where they are located on a map for people not in Ireland and don't really know geography. Oh, I should be doing this on camera. Okay, so lots of oats, very creamy smell, roasted malt, slight bit of chocolate, bit of sweetness. Let's dive in. Oh, that you can get the espresso coffee. Lots of coffee, bit of sweetness, bit of tartness, or not tartness, bitterness, and the taste, it covers the mouth. Really nice, really good, really solid. I'm not going to drink too much of it. I want to wait. It's a bit early to be drinking. Recording this early. Yeah, I will be trying to record maybe more short, quick reviews like this. So a picture of the on tap should be coming up, should have come up as well, of Wicklow Wolf, of their beers, and yeah, not really else I can say about it. Really nice. You can't get 6.5%. I know it's low enough ABV. So it is Apex Espresso. So it does have espresso. Enriched spices. Yeah, kind of a spice to it. Not really. I think the espresso kind of kills any of that. Yeah. I will see you next time. Please like and share and leave a comment. Thank you.